Hey guys, so I just ordered this little thingy. I saw an ad for it and looked like it's going to be useful to attach to the sink. So just wanted to show you the contents of the box. And yep, you get tools, really nice. This is the actual thingy, and then you have another tool which is pretty cool. So what's in there? Let me just quickly open this. Oh, okay, nice. Oh, oops. Okay, hope I don't lose something. So what do we have here? This turns. Okay. This thing, this is where the water comes from, and this attaches to your sink's faucet. Those are for making sure it fits nicely. I'll see later on how it actually attaches. And then you have this thing too. Yeah. Okay. Okay. To remove the head, which is nice. This also rotates. This is to put it, to install it. And this, I guess, is made to. Actually, I'm not sure what this is. It tightens. There's a screw inside. Honestly, I'm not good with stuff like that, but I guess you can take it apart and disassemble it to clean it. Yeah, I think that's it. You can just disassemble it, which is nice. And this is to tighten after you install it with hands. I guess you can use it to tighten it. But it, okay, it fits. Does it fit? No? Weird. It doesn't fit. I'm not actually sure if it's made for here, but I see no other place to use it on. Nope. Like, there's no point using it anywhere else. So it has to be for here. Weird. Anyway, simple pliers would do the trick as well if it's needed. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You install it like that here, and then you can rotate it and do this and do that, and use it as a fountain, or just save space, different angles, stuff like that. So yeah, looked like a helpful little thing. Once I actually use it, I'll tell you if it is a helpful thing. Interesting. And you're also supposed to be able to create different streams of water, by rotating this. You can feel it clicking into place when you rotate it. So yeah, it's about 10 euros, and it's all metal. They also have a plastic version that is painted in metal colors, but I bought the all metal one because it just looks sturdier and safer to use. We'll see how it goes. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.